got roped into this the same way that everyone else has, kind of by accident. I was going through a difficult time where I realized that if I wanted to do good teaching, I had to leave the Department of Education in New York City to do it because I couldn't do it from within it. So I left teaching, and as I'm trying to find my way, Amanda calls me one day and says, "Hey, I'm doing some workshops. We would love the feedback and some pointers from an educator." And I was like, "Oh, okay, I'll come in one time." One time I'll come in. I never left because I got here and I realized what we're passing on. I was trying to teach kids critical thinking. That's what they were trying to do. I was trying to teach kids to be independent learners. That's what they were trying to do. I was trying to create students that had complete control over their learning styles, what their educational future or whatever future they chose, not only get them college ready, but life ready, and that's what they were trying to do. So I stayed, and I get to work with a great team of volunteers to support these kids that, they're bringing their own brand of greatness to the table, and we just get to give them some extra tools and let them grow. So within the last year, has it been over a year that we've done the workshops? We have more participants. Kids are bringing cousins, friends, like neighbors are getting dragged in. The whole family sitting in the back, mom and dad. We have, it's just amazing. I had one parent, I just thought this was hilarious. We were talking about time management for our middle schoolers, right? Who teaches middle schoolers to time manage and long-term planning, right? And a mom raised her hand in the back and she said, "I want to let everyone know that the people in my office don't have this skill. And the middle schoolers in this room are mastering it." So we are making such an impact, bringing a brand of awareness and education and skills that unfortunately our kids are not getting in their classrooms. So we are very proud to be able to do that and spread that message. We started at the West Orange Library. We spread into the Montclair Library. And from what I hear, other libraries are contacting us, and we're just going to keep spreading like a virus. And I'm just really lucky to be part of the team. And anyone in the room who wants to participate, we're always looking for new volunteers. If it's a skill that has helped your life, we want to pass it on to our kiddos. So you're more than welcome. And I will say that I have the time attend these workshops when I'm not speaking. I'm there as a participant in awe. I love hearing the stories, and my favorite part is actually seeing the legacy live on. I was not lucky enough to meet Michael in person or to see him teach, but I get to watch what he has done for his students and see the grown-up version of these middle schoolers get up and say, "This is how I carried on his legacy. This is how he impacted my life." And I want to bring on one of those students to share that story, which every time I hear from any one of them just touches me. Lily, come on up.